Hello and welcome to the 411 on Making Money Online. Today we are diving into the world of self-publishing ebooks. It's an exciting way to share your knowledge and creativity with the world while potentially earning passive income. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process from creating your content to effectively marketing your ebook. So let's get started. It's crucial to choose a topic that resonates with your readers. Look for subjects that are in demand and have a great target audience. This ensures there's a market for your ebook, increasing its chances of success. To research popular topics and keywords, you can use tools like Amazon Kindle Store and Google Trends. In the Kindle Store, explore the bestseller lists in your niche to see what topics are currently trending. Additionally, Google Trends can help you identify topics that are consistently popular over time. By choosing a topic with a built-in audience, you can set yourself up for success right from the start. Editing and proofreading are crucial steps in self-publishing process. They ensure your ebook is error-free and maintains a professional standard. Even the best writers can miss typos or grammatical errors, so it's essential to have fresh eyes on your review of your work. Consider hiring a professional editor to thoroughly review your ebook. An editor can provide valuable feedback on your content, structure, and style, enhancing the overall quality of your ebook. If hiring an editor is not feasible, using editing software can help you improve your content. Tools like Grammarly and ProWriting Aid can catch common errors and suggest improvements, making your ebook more polished and professional. The cover of your ebook is the first potential thing that readers will see, so it's essential to make a strong first impression. A well-designed cover can attract readers and make your book stand out in a crowded market. When creating your cover, use high-quality images that are relevant to your ebook's content. The images should be eye-catching and convey the theme of your ebook. Additionally, choose fonts that are easy to read and match the tone of your ebook. Consider hiring a professional designer to create your cover if you're not confident in your design skills. Alternatively, you can use online design tools to create your cover yourself. Just remember, your cover is often the first interaction readers have with your ebook, so make it count. Publishing your ebook is a straightforward process that, thanks to platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP and Smashwords. There's a step-by-step guide to publishing your ebook. Sign up for an account, create an account on KDP or Smashwords if you don't already have one. Prepare the ebook files. Format your ebook according to the platform's guidelines. This usually involves converting your manuscript into a compatible file format, such as EPUB or MOBI. Upload your ebook. Use the platform's dashboard to upload your ebook files, cover image, and other required information, such as book descriptions and keywords. Set the price. Decide on the price of your ebook. Consider factors such as length of the book, the market demand, and pricing of similar ebooks. Both KDP and Smashwords offer tools to help you set up a competitive price. Choose distribution options. Select the territories where you want your ebook to be available for sale. You can choose to distribute globally or limit distribution to specific regions. Review and publish. Review all information you've provided and make sure necessary changes are made. Once you're satisfied, click the Publish button to make your ebook available for purchase. Now, before we go into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention that I'm promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I'm doing right now. And you don't have to make money in videos to be successful on YouTube's platforms. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested, and it's totally free to check out. And you can also promote your ebooks from your YouTube account. Okay, marketing is key to the success of your ebook. So here are some effective strategies to promote your ebook and increase its visibility. Social media marketing, utilizing platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to promote your ebook. Share engaging content related to your book, such as excerpts, behind-the-scenes insights, and reader testimonies. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Email marketing. Build an email list of interested readers and send them regular updates about your ebook. Offer exclusive content such as bonus chapters or special discounts to incentivize purchases. Use a professional email marketing service to manage your campaigns and track your results. Book launch events. Organize a virtual or physical book launch event to generate buzz around your ebook. Invite influencers, bloggers, and reviewers in your niche to attend and promote the event. Offer giveaways and discounts to encourage attendees to purchase your ebook. Build an author platform. Create a website or blog to showcase your ebook and other works. Share your writing journey, insights, and expertise to connect with your audience. Engage with your readers through comments, emails, and social media to build a loyal following. Engaging with your audience. Interact with your readers regularly to keep them engaged and interested in your ebook. Respond to comments and messages promptly and ask for feedback to improve your future works. Offer value to your audience by sharing useful content and resources related to your ebook's topic. If you're enjoying today's video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content centered around making money online. Tracking your ebook sales and analyze your market efforts is essential for optimizing your sales strategy. Here's how you can do it. Track sales. Most publishing platforms such as Amazon, KDP, and Smashwords provide detailed sales reports that show how many copies of your ebook have been sold where. These reports help to identify trends and adjust your marketing tactics accordingly. Analyze marketing efforts. Keep track of your marketing campaigns, including social media posts, email newsletters, and promotional events. Use analytic tools to measure the impact of your campaign, such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement levels. This will help you identify which strategies are most effective and where you can improve. Soliciting reviews from readers is another crucial aspect of promoting your ebook. Positive reviews can boost your ebook's visibility and credibility, leading to increased sales. Here's how you can encourage readers to leave reviews. Include a call to action in your ebook asking readers to leave a review if they enjoyed the book. Reach out to readers who have purchased your ebook and ask them to leave a review. Offer incentives such as discounts on future purchases for leaving a review. Engage with readers who have left reviews by thanking them and responding to their feedback. By tracking your sales and analyzing your marketing efforts, as well as soliciting reviews from readers, you can optimize your ebook promotion strategy and maximize your ebook success. Stick around and check out more other videos on my channel for further valuable content focusing on making money online.